Hello and welcome back to CoCo Finance. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more financial insights. Today, we're diving into a topic that can be a real game changer for your financial future: investing in the stock market. It might sound complex, but stick with me. We're going to break it down together, step by step. First things first, let's demystify what a stock really is. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. It's like owning a slice of the pie. As the company grows and prospers, so does the value of your slice. That's how you make money in the stock market. Before you jump into the world of stocks, it's crucial to know what you're aiming for. Are you saving for a comfortable retirement, a dream home, your children's education, or perhaps a world tour? Your goals will shape your investment strategy, guiding you on how much risk you can take and how long you can invest. Next, let's talk about money. How much can you afford to invest? It's important to have your financial house in order before you start investing. This means clearing off high-interest debts and having an emergency fund in place. To start buying and selling stocks, you'll need a brokerage account. There's a wide array of online brokers out there, each with their own unique features and fee structures. Take your time to research and choose one that fits your needs and budget. Now, onto the fun part: understanding stocks. Learning about the different types of stocks, how they're priced, and how to read a stock chart will empower you to make informed investment decisions. Ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? That's diversification in a nutshell. Spreading your investments across different stocks and sectors can help you balance risk and reward. The stock market is a dynamic beast, always moving, always changing. Your investment strategy needs to be just as flexible. Regularly reviewing your investments and making adjustments as needed will help you stay aligned with your financial goals. Remember, investing in stocks comes with its own set of risks, including the possibility of losing your entire investment. That's why it's crucial to do your homework and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. But with careful planning, patience, and a thirst for knowledge, the stock market can be a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. And that's a wrap for today. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay diligent, and keep learning. Drop your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, this is CoCo Finance, signing off.